Some are fluffy, some are wild, but which cat breed takes the crown? Let's find out. At number 5, the Sphynx, hairless, bold, and full of personality. Not for everyone, but totally iconic. Number 4, the Scottish Fold. Their tiny folded ears and wide-eyed stare are irresistible. Coming in at number 3, the Bengal. They look like mini leopards and love to play like wild cats. At number 2, it's the Maine Coon. Giant fluff balls with big hearts. These cats are like teddy bears with claws. And number 1, the Rag Doll. Super cuddly, super chill. They literally go limp in your arms. Did your favorite make the list? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more adorable rankings.